Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a kind and curious boy named Zayd. He loved to spend time in his garden, where he grew all kinds of plants and flowers. One day, Zayd found a tiny seed laying on the ground. It was smaller than any seed he had ever seen. Zayd gently picked up the seed and held it in his hand, wondering what kind of plant it would grow into. Remembering the teachings of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Zayd knew that planting trees and caring for earth was something loved by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Zayd decided to plant the seed in a special spot in his garden. Every day he watered it, made sure it had enough sunlight, and said a small prayer, asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to help the seed grow. Day turned into weeks, and Zayd continued to care for the little seed with patience and love. One morning, Zayd woke up and rushed to his garden. As he did every day, to his delight, he saw a tiny sprout peeking out of the soil. Zayd was overjoyed. He knew that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had blessed his efforts. As time passed, the sprout grew into a beautiful tree that provided shades and fruits for everyone in the village. The villagers admired Zayd's tree and thanked him for his kindness. Zayd smiled and said, "It wasn't just me. It was Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who made this tree grow." Zayd's tree became a symbol of hope and faith in the village. Whenever someone was feeling down, they would sit under the tree and remember that with patience, effort, and trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, great things can happen, even from a smallest of seeds. That night, Zayd went to his bed with a heart full of gratitude, thanking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the blessing he had given him. He drifted off to sleep, dreaming of all the other seeds he would plant, knowing that every good deed, no matter how small, is loved by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Good night, little ones. May you sleep peacefully tonight, knowing that even the smallest act of kindness can grow into something beautiful. Always remember that Allah watches over you, and with a loving heart and trust in Him, you can make the world a better place. Just like Zayd and his little seed. Sweet dreams, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you with a restful sleep. Until tomorrow, inshallah. Good night.